Most people start their mornings with stress. But in just 10 minutes of yoga, you can completely reset your mind and body. Welcome to Pure Yoga Flow, your daily space for peace, energy, and balance. 5 motivational lines. 1. Yoga clears your mind and releases stress. 2. It boosts your energy and keeps your body strong. Third, daily practice builds focus and inner calm. 4. Yoga connects your mind, body, and soul in harmony. 5. Just 10 minutes today can transform your entire day.